Good morning, traders. This is Chris here from the tradingmentors.com. Fantastic move on gold. Congratulations to members. I did say the other day that my account would be worth 300 grand by the end of the week. We've actually achieved that before the end of the week. Now 343,000, heading for $500,000 by the end of the year. That's the target. Let me show you the gold on steroid software. Before I do that, let me just show you the results for this week. Our target of 1982 has been hit. Our next target is 2020 on gold. I'll show you that one. I'll show you why we put the stop here in the software. So 92,462, 26,463, 9,486, 3,984, 3,242, 6,223. A fantastic week. Congratulations, members. So this is the gold on steroid software. It tells you when to buy. It also tells you where to put your stop as well. So this was the buy we had a few weeks ago. When was that? On the 17th of October. So not long ago. And we had our target of 1982. It worked out. If you've seen my YouTube channel, I've done the gold analysis and calculated the target. So we had one at 1982. That's 564 pips. Thank you very much. We also had another buy signal here, and the this was a big one. So this is going to be worth 656 pips when it comes in. We've now moved our stop to 1969, which is the support area, and I can show you that in the MT4 chart. You can see that there now. It's just off screen, but I've moved that stop to 1969. It's about there. So we just emulate the gold on steroid software to bank and lock in profit. So I'm guaranteed to make 23,191 no matter what happens, even if it reverses, but I'm allowing myself to be in the market so it heads for 2020, which is a much bigger number. So I'm delighted to welcome you to the early morning briefing for the 20th of October. If you remember, I'll be popping in during the New York session and doing a full analysis. This is not a full analysis. This is a brief synopsis of the positions we've got open. So parabolic trends are the key to your success. They're the only way to trade, and let your profits run, please. Swiss yen, we're up about 400 pips or more now, whatever that is, I don't know, but it's moving. Move your stop to 165.19 now, locking in even more profits. While I'm there, let me start from the top. Bitcoin to the upside, parabolic to the upside, in profit, moving, nice swing low, hold. Silver swing low now, so buy. If you're not in it already, buy. Your stop should be a very wide stop. Let me move that out of the way. Make sure it's below structure, below the 50-day moving average. Have I worked out a target? Oh, I have worked out a target. 24.16. Somewhere about that's a 1.5 risk to reward on that one. Gold, of course, we've banked, God knows how many pips we've banked. 1,100 so far, according to that. I don't count pips, but I see my account growing, which is the important thing, isn't it? But a lovely move in a parabolic trend to the upside. Further upside momentum is likely. However, we are likely to see a pullback very shortly, and there will be another opportunity coming up. So let's do something like this. You can probably see it already. This is the Advanced Pro charts, by the way. They're no longer available. They're sold out, but probably back next year sometime. US Swiss is parabolic to the downside, heading for target. Congratulations. Swiss yen, we've covered that one, over 400 pips in profit. Pound Swiss heading for target. We've got two positions on that, way over 200 or 300 pips in profit now, heading for 107.55. Euro Swiss heading for target. Happy days. The Swiss futures are strong. That's the correlation, and heading for 93.56. Canadian Swiss parabolic to the downside, target 64.67. so that's not far away now. That'll be hitting profits soon. I'll be working that one out. Aussie Swiss to the downside. We've got two positions. I've got one big position to 54.92 and then a smaller position of 56.15. So we'll be moving stops in the next few hours for members. Hope you're keeping up. Euro, Aussie to the upside and continuing upwards. We do expect a little bit of a pullback, but that's fine. It can do what it likes. We're making money and it still holds on to market structure. Pound New Zealand, if you're in that, congratulations. I'm not, but it is parabolic. I'm going to wait for another pullback before I enter. Aussie New Zealand, parabolic to the upside. Haven't worked out a target on that. I'm not trading well. And Euro New Zealand. Remember, you don't really want to be holding on to three positions that are doing exactly the same thing. Just choose one or two. Now, the interesting thing about the markets is we haven't seen the move on the dollar yet. That is yet to come. I'll do the full analysis this afternoon for members. But if the dollar crashes, there's going to be some massive moves in the dollar. And if the yen futures crashes, then there's going to be some massive moves on the yen pairs as well. So look out for that in the analysis this afternoon. Have a wonderful morning, and I'll speak to you this afternoon if you remember.